In this segment of the Word tutorial, we're going to learn how to use search and replace in a document in Word. So let's say we want to replace all the protection words with the word security. Of course, one of the ways is to simply locate them and type them, but that could take quite a bit of time, plus we could miss some of the instances of this. One of the options is here to click on Find, and we can, let's say, search here. Notice it says protection. We just search the word protection, and it gives us all the instances where this word is used. So it's used 57 times. We can click, and it will take us to that specific area in the document. So this is just finding the words. But let's say now we want to replace those words. So we go to the top of the document, and then we click here on Replace. Now we're going to search. So instead of finding, we are just simply going to go to Replace. We're going to find the word protection, and we're going to replace it with the word security. Leave all these other options blank. Choose Find Next, and it will show us the next word, the next place that this word appears at. And then we can either choose Replace or Replace All if you want to replace all instances of it. You can replace words with other words, or if you click here on More, you can also match the case and replace them on specific case, how it's spelled. Or you could use wildcards, or you could even replace the formatting, so you can select something that is formatted a certain way. You can also search for specific characters or digits or any type of characters or paragraph marks. So let's say I want to search for anywhere where there are 2 paragraph marks and replace it with only 1 paragraph mark. Then we press Next, and it's going to locate. So notice it found one right here. I can choose to replace it, and so on. So I had, in this case, I had only a couple spots here where I can choose to replace all of them.